Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, March 20th. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. You are the president. Very nice. And please repeat, within 1 hour. This means less than 1 hour. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. You are the president of the country. You are the president of the country. President. You are the leader. You govern the people. Now we can make a flashcard for president. We use it like this: the president of something. Please make a flashcard like this. Please write president up here in the top left corner. President. Down in this corner, PEO1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 54 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. President. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. She will come here within 1 hour. She will come here within 1 hour. Within. She will come here in 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Less than 1 hour. Now we can make a flashcard for within. The basic form is to do something within 1 hour. But 1 hour could be 1 month or 1 year or 2 hours is also correct. Please make a card like this. Write within. Up here in the top left corner, WITHIN. Down here in the bottom left corner, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here the number 132 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Within. Game over. You did very well today. One day I will be the president. Very nice. And Jennifer will come here within 1 hour. That means less than 1 hour, sooner than. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, Seed. Yeah, this is something you plant and then something will grow. Number 2, welcome. Yes, we say it for hello and it's also a verb. Number 3, please repeat, tomorrow morning. I will go there tomorrow morning. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.